You must continue picking flea off a dog. Cause you're dunce. And when I say you're dunce, I mean you're dunce Zandramah. You see the difference? TJ walk around and do a lot of stuff and go like said him not do nothing. Move Maya, your man like your man come on like the bus when used to work on. Him walk and pick up mate for you. Go you're my doctress. Man dog gonna out under makeup and wig. Man dog gonna out under makeup and wig. Cause TJ a dog you out and kneel down and gear ring and you like a idiot girl a come on the app. You forget what you say or you just don't care. Yeah? The people who you make mash up and lose them relationship, you're gonna say, we never tell them for doing it. No. But you're an influencer. From battle service to influencer. Are you the people them for any of the foreign them would have sue you, Maya? Would have sue you. You put the title on your name earlier on that you're an influencer, you know, deal with cheating, you know, deal with this, you know, deal with that, and you make enough girl leave them man because them things say you stand up on your orders only if you see you feel. One yeah, I should have Jenny Craig or Solar Flex here advertise. One, not too much. My amount mash like say a trailer head park on it overnight. Yeah, I'm trying Maya and Cute Bass have the same amount. I'm trying Maya and Cute Bass have the same amount. It's just that one lighter and one brighter. Yeah, World Dog, same now go cost Blinger again. World Dog, you and Blinger no walk and suck wood on the highway and byway. Remember Blinger have an imaginary man? Remember Blinger the only girl with a big head, a long neck and a broad shoulder? Remember Blinger shape shag up? Remember he's a little careless boy we see a dog a Blinger, you know? So oh Blinger for have motivation. Blinger for go motivate her daughter in the house where back chatter. Blinger for go motivate her pick me with so breed. Blinger batter and struggle. Blinger the only girl on the app when me say batter for how much years. Blinger batter and struggle. Yeah. Blinger for move up, but again, then come here now. What are we? I see them a robot Diamond. Diamond, let me tell you the problem with Uno. We pick up for World Dog. It's not that Uno reason out of World Dog attack say and Uno have understanding towards what where it's coming from or what he's talking about. It's the facts Uno afraid because the app Uno believes that the app did go up on World Dog side because Yannick is an unknown. That is the only reason why someone get flapped. Honestly. Me hear Zandramah, she come out and she talk about, like she basically has said, is it the reason why we're talking, we're hitting on World Dog is because we don't like the individual. That's not it, Zandramah. For an intelligent female, you're dunce. You're dunce. If you walk and pick up dog, go and pick flea off a dog. You for continue picking flea off a dog. You must continue picking flea off a dog. Cause you're dunce. And when I say you're dunce, I mean you're dunce Zandramah. You see the difference is speaking eloquently doesn't mean that you're knowledgeable of anything at all. Speaking eloquently doesn't mean that you're very intellectual. No. Some of us can speak and recite based on what we learn or what we know, but having the understanding of our speech, we don't. You never know that? English is very demonic. You have no critical thinking. You never know that? So when you're still here try to justify, no one is saying that Yannick is perfect. That's what you miss. You miss the essence. So you are a girl who writes stories without meaning. You never know that? You are a girl who writes stories without meaning. Your stories are one-sided. Because you're going to call the audience hypocrite. You understand me? When really and truly simply bliss. She don't even understand that no, nobody not have to hate World Dog or like Yannick, but we're talking about the situation that most females can relate to. You understand me? And I'm pretty sure you can because you have an unwanted daughter without a father. You make man make you turn lesbian. So you of all persons should be standing up for Yannick. Of course, Sister Winnie, critical thinking should be taught in school. Because I cannot understand how man do you dirt and make you have to change your nature. Move it from AT&T to Vodafone. Man make you change your nature only to come back, to come try for shot. No. And I want to come out and say females must stick together. But you see, the same set of people must say female activists, females must stand together. Jaden tear down females, and this is the same thing you're doing. So you're no better than Jaden, the one who you always a cuss Zandramah. Make that make sense. So let me ask you a question. Your speech is a reflection of your attitude then. Because if Jaden talks something about a girl like me, you jump up and start class Jaden, they are big crutches, they are like me. But you see a serious relationship here. When you talk about Jaden tear up his wife, Roses, Jaden never come out and tell us say, well, he's married. Jaden kept it as a secret. That is most important. Jaden kept it as a secret. And me busted say Jaden married, and she come and confirm it long after. So how you use that as a go-to? So is it that your speech is exactly how you feel towards Jaden when you don't like an individual? You cannot see the right in them. But when you do like an individual, you see the right in their wrong. Okay. So you're trying not to be biased, don't? And you want your speech to seem unbiased, but it's very biased and malicious. So when I hear you not talk, this is the same reason why when I don't like me, because I go down on the nitty-gritty of things. So you come out now and try to make everybody feel bad who supported Yannick. People don't support Yannick being in a relationship with World Dog. People did not support Yannick being out of a relationship with World Dog. People supported Yannick in the fact of this situation that they can connect with. Many persons can. You never know. Who cares if Yannick want to go back to World Dog tomorrow morning? No one cares. Well, for me, I don't. Do I want her to go back to him? No. But is it my life? No. But a situation like this, can we support her in a situation like this? Of course, we are going to support her as we would do with any other females. So that the males can understand that when you treat your woman badly in public, don't think you're going to get the public's respect. That's the difference. It's about keeping the respect in the public for the female that you're with. So I'm going to take on a drama out of the public. Because once you come in the public and try to disrespect the relationship that you advertise to us, we are going to stand up for the female. You're not going to do that. And that is the thing you miss. You have an unwanted daughter walk around with, where you are not have to sleep in a train station because man breathe you no want you. Because you're the only one with it broke in a theater, without condom. And you get after 9 months produce young Barry White. These are the things I don't like to hear. So if everybody want to beat World Dog, and many things why them beat World Dog came out and very lie. Draw back for the screen recording. You know how long me a look Yannick. You know how long me a look Yannick. And she now give me the time of day. And the 1 minute she give the time of day tonight. Mayor. The one time and you don't see that. You know how long your man a look you. You know how long the little girl father look you, and the one little time you breed for him, you give it and him breed your train station, you and your daughter sleep. Train station. You are the only one where one left daddy mistake. You must run come over here look for your daughter father. Yeah. It's true you don't do that. And then you come on and talk about Jaden and tear down women, and you just a tear down Yannick in a situation like this. Remember, say Jaden has Sesame Street. Nothing about Jaden is real. Jaden is the first AI Jamaica ever have. So I don't know why you lament on the little boy, why you hate the little boy, but he disrespect females. And look at Maya with disrespect herself with TG. Go fix that one then now. Go fix that one. The Maya came out and said she would never stay with a man if he cheats. But she didn't realize it's a baby father Maya take. Maya take a baby father and only make sure tell her say she not stay with the man when cheat. I could have never take a baby father and say so. Could have never take a baby father and say so. It's a girl baby father Maya take. So how that work? Me not understand how them something work. When you just like to chat shit. And that be to no bad. When you don't like the individual, when you cannot speak on the individual. And you know, me realize with the whole of una always say, me a hypocrite. Even cute boss say it too. Everybody knows me class, Yannick, because of World Dog, right? But when I see World Dog and spitting a Yannick face, I can say she don't deserve it. Because of this individual, where this girl gain a lot of enemy. That is why cute boss says she'll go home, go look for the video and do voice over. Because enough people, my class and turn on and pick up for them. You don't understand the nature in which I speak. Even thief would love somebody to stand up for them and speak the truth. Even a thief. Thank you very much, Udis. A Dottie Martin. No, it's just the truth. That's the difference. That's it. That you think more than one somebody said, no man, me not lie, Shebada must make a mistake. But I strongly me not lose off of Shebada, but me I go wait for him to come. He must make a mistake, man. Me not understand this. Yeah, even somebody would like to know say somebody there in them corner. But now, when you hate people wickedly, and that is the problem. You see, the hatred when you have in your heart towards people, when you can't get rid of it. When the Lord search in the heart, when you use intelligence and you try to cover it. That's why God no go after intelligence. God go after honesty. Yeah? Honesty. Yeah, just because the people them have the hype. That's why I hype no last. Hype don't last. And that is the problem. You hate Jaden for what? You hate Jaden badly for what? Eh? But you want different World Dog. But and loyal given, and you're speaking very biased. You think you're being unbiased? No, you're speaking very biased. Because there's a psychology in your speech in a Zandramah. But you see, who are the ones who are unintelligent, they will miss it. They will miss it. Because me that's don't me look at you and say, Zandramah, you chat shit. You say, Zandramah, you chat shit. Not the way you talk makes sense. Not one earthly thing but you talk makes sense, Zandramah. Because you're still not giving Yannick such credit for still. So say, girl, stand up, and you're a firm woman, you're a strong woman. Boy, find your work, boy, tell you to leave your job, and you still leave your job and you have to go back for it. Girl, stand up on your own. We stand with you. Don't make no mistake like this again. Don't make no man tell you to leave your work. Like how man tell you to come off a theater, make them breathe and put you and your child in a train station. Not the way you can talk makes sense, because you only can reason to the dunce and uneducated and people who are not willing to get bright. Of course, Zandramah is not a drunker. She's a drunker baby. She's the one that without feather. She's not mature yet. Yeah? And now come out. Don't come out because all of our nastiness on the app. All of our nastiness on the app. A lot of you are nastiness on the app. When the man tell the girl, says, sit down and take bone. Yeah, me cheat and so what? All I know you can't, him never say Yannick cheat. Him come out and say every man cheat. So it's a given. And Zandramah, you woman break your heart. Oh, and him a batter. All him have to do is come up, come hype. What really I say out on the mouth?